Good afternoon, 5th class children. So, today we are going to take our fresh lesson, okay, that is in social subject, okay children. So, before going to the lesson, just we have a keywords, okay, which we understand, so that we can understand the lesson better, okay. If you learn about this keywords clearly, you can understand the lesson clearly, okay. So, what is our lesson name? Atmosphere, wind, and page number is 97 children, okay, in your textbook, okay. So, here keywords, see your textbook, atmosphere, wind, okay, see here atmosphere, wind. See the picture here children, some. Observe the figures given the below and identify the directions of the wind. So see the pictures, which different directions are there. Kite is flying in different direction. Fire is okay, moving in different direction. Okay, clouds are even they also, if we dry in this sunlight, they will also move, no? So it's also going in different direction. See, so these are all going in a different direction, okay children. So now we will go with the keywords now children, okay. So here, what are the keywords here? One second. Okay children, see here keywords. Atmosphere. Atmosphere means the blanket of that okay, air which is surrounded the earth. The blanket that surrounded the earth. Okay, blanket or okay, it's covered. Okay, it's covered. That is atmosphere. Nothing but air. Air surrounded by this earth. No. So now wind flowing. Wind blowing. Okay, from place to place. Okay, how wind will move, okay, it will flow, blow, okay, face to okay, and air makes a sound, okay, air makes a sound, correct or not? Air makes sound, no? Whistling sound is made by air, okay, clearly understand all this, okay, whistling sound is made by air, okay. Air has weight. Air is having weight. Air is there even in a balloon. It has weight. Correct now? If you blow the balloon, okay, without blowing, with blowing, you can see the difference. Okay. Air has weight. Okay, it has a weight. Air occupies space. Air is everywhere. It is there even in empty articles. Okay. So air, if you blow the balloon, air going to that balloon. Okay, it occupies the okay inside the balloon place or not. So air occupies the place. Okay, not in balloon. The example which I gave you. If you open the empty container, anything. Okay, in that also air will be there. Air will be there in everywhere, air will be there, okay. So pressure, force of air. Air has force which pushes everything, correct or not? Air has force or not? If you keep any paper on the table, if you forcefully, if you blow, okay, then what air will move. So air is having pressure, okay. Pure air, how the pure air will be? Air without smoke, okay, pure air, how you can see, okay, air without smoke, dust or germs. Pure air means what? Air without smoke, dust or germs, okay. Wind, electricity. Wind electricity is produced by what? Electricity produced by the turbines which is moved by wind, okay. Mostly you can see in the outskirts areas, village areas, okay. Wind electricity, electricity produced by the turbines which is moved by wind, okay. According to the wind flow, the wind movement, this turbines will move, okay. Air pollution, how the air will be polluted, okay. Pollution of air due to the addition of smoke, okay, harmful gases, etc. Correct or not? How the air will be polluted? Because of the smoke and okay, gases, different chemical gases which is emitted from the industrial areas, our air will be polluted. Okay, children. So you have to go with the keywords very clearly so that you can understand the lesson better. Now come to the point of lesson. Okay, wind. We have air all around us. Okay, correct or not? We are having air all around us. It blows in our houses. Okay, open grounds, fields, and everywhere. Correct or not? In house we will we can think of we can sense of the air. Correct or not? Even houses, open grounds also you can see air, fields also, and everywhere. Okay, but we cannot see air. Can we see air? No, we cannot see air. Moving air is called wind. Wind means what? Moving air. Okay, flowing of air. Okay, moving of air is called wind. Wind does many wonders. Wind does many wonders. It brings rain, cold weather and warm too. Correct or not? When you this wind is air is moving here and then what you will feel? You will feel fresh, cool air you will get or not. Okay, it brings rain, cold weather and warmth too. Okay, so here group work is given. In the same way, draw more figures and ask your friends to identify the direction of this. Okay, you go. Okay, you also make some pictures and see in which way the direction of the air is going. Okay, and next due to gravitational force, rotation and revolution of the earth, the wind always blow from one place to another. Because of the movement of the earth, this wind blow. Okay, air flows one place to another place. The intensity of the wind varies from place to place. Air has pressure. Okay, so air has pressure, weight, and it occupies space. Okay, volume means space. These are the properties of air. What are the properties of air? Air has a pressure, air has a weight, and it occupies space or volume. Okay, see, three properties are there. Air has pressure, weight, and space. Nothing but volume. Okay, air has a pressure, okay, weight, and it occupies space or volume. Okay, these are the properties of air. Okay, now atmosphere. Atmosphere. See, earth is covered with a blanket of air. Okay, this is called atmosphere. Atmosphere is what? Air. Air is covered with a blanket of earth. Earth is covered with a blanket of air, that is called atmosphere. Okay. With the help of information on the temperature, clouds and humidity, atmospheric conditions can be determined. What news on the TV? To know more about the weather is weather stable. Okay, whether the weather is stable, it is the same every day. So in TV daily you will be getting, in newspaper also. Today the weather will be cloudy. Little bit rains are going to. Okay, they will give the news like that. So in a day or all days, the weather will not be the same. Okay, day by day it changes. Correct or not? Even according to the season also, weather will be changing. It is the same every day? Can you recall how was the weather on week ago? Okay, when you observe the last 5 days weather, okay, you go to the Google search also if you want to clarify it. Okay, you can see different weather temperature will be different. Okay, weather condition will be different if you go back to the last 1 week. Correct or not? And what it, okay, was it hot or cold? Okay, was it windy or cloudy? If we observe and record the weather daily, we can understand about it. Okay. Okay, symbols given below help us understand the atmosphere or weather report better. See, some symbols are given here. See here. Some symbols are given here. See. One by one I will tell you. One is cloudy sky. Okay. Clear sky. Okay. Rains. Hailstorm. Wind blowing from east to west. Okay. Wind blowing from west to east. Wind blowing from south to north. And wind blowing from north to south. Okay. Next, cold weather, hot summer day. Okay. So here some table also given. Akash, Rafi. Okay, Akash, Rafi, Mary are studying in 5th standard. Okay, they noted the weather report for the week. See, they noted the report for the week. See, what is the weather difference? Or you can find the pictures. See the pictures. Okay, on Monday it is different. Tuesday it is different. Wednesday it is different. Thursday it is different. Friday. Okay, so different weather conditions are here. Okay, even you can also try this, children. Okay, and next come to the point of think and say. Some questions are given here. See here. Have you seen the weather report in the table given? How was the weather according to you? How many days was it cloudy and how many days was it cold during the last week? Which direction did the wind blow? Okay, wind blow for most of the time last week, and which day did it rain and what type of rain it was. Okay, can we say that it will definitely rain on a cloudy day according to the report? Can you guess the reason? So here, children, I will get, okay, you think of all these things. Okay, once go through the lesson. Okay, I will stop the lesson here. Again, next video I will continue the lesson, children. Meanwhile, you have to orally learn about this. Understand the keywords meanings, children. Okay. Meanwhile, you have to understand the keywords meanings so that you can understand the lesson. Okay, children. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.